Hey y'all, welcome to another Artsy studio vlog. After last week's vlog, many of you suggested many things. And then I also complained on Instagram about how annoying Shopify is. I still can't talk when other people are around. I can't talk to the camera when other people are around, and I've been doing this for like 4 years? 3 years? Doesn't matter. I couldn't figure it out. I couldn't do it. I watched YouTube videos, like tutorials, on how to set up specifically the shipping on Shopify. I have no clue. I have no clue how that works. It's okay because somebody on Instagram, let me look at their let me tell you something. Tiff's Trolls on Instagram, they were suggesting Big Cartel to me. It's always just kind of like slightly, how do I say, in the nicest way, slightly surprising when other artists are so forthcoming with like, you know, how they've set up their store and how, you know, that whatever. Obviously everybody can do whatever they want with their own information. I'm not like trying to be sassy about it, but when I complained about Shopify on Instagram, they said that they use Big Cartel and that they really like it, and that Shopify, when they tried it, was way too complicated. And I was like, same. Have created a Big Cartel shop. I did that yesterday, and I added the last rug, the cake rug, and then the one wall hanging. I added both of those, and then I also added a beanie, and because I found one more, and so I think, did I tell you that? No, I didn't. I cut all of that out. So I made one more beanie to test out how selling things on this new website, how it was going to look and everything like that. So I put the hat up, and then I just posted about it in the community tab here on my YouTube channel. So I'm sorry if you didn't see it. I really wanted to like make a video, but yesterday I was also kind of having another very difficult day with my anxiety and stuff, and a lot of pressure. It was like somebody was sitting on my chest all day yesterday. So I don't know. I'm trying really hard to like be chill. Anyway, sorry I'm all over the place right now. I'm trying to tell you like 3 different things all at the same time. So the hat went live on the new website along with the one rug and the hanging, and the hat sold. And I'm pretty excited to send it out. I do have to stamp some paper right now to kind of pack it up, and I'm going to try to get it out today. Another big thing with the new website, very exciting thing, is that Afterpay is available on my new website. I'm very excited about this because I realized that these rugs and like everything besides like, you know, the hats and stuff, they're expensive things. So I am really excited to be able to offer something like Afterpay so that it's not just like one large chunk that y'all have to, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, Afterpay is available, and the last 2 things that are there are the cake and the wall hanging. So anyway, if you're interested in being my very first rug sale, I'm super thankful for my first hat sale. Like, it was really cool to be able to see what it's gonna like look like right away. So thank you so much. I need to get started on stamping this paper to wrap the hat. Hey y'all, welcome to the next day. I've been working on my sister's sweatshirt. I'm in love with it. It looks so good. I took the sleeves off of that other sweatshirt and put it onto the blue, like, Patriots one. It's the one that has these like plaid little pieces, and then I sewed the hood. I literally just cut the hood off instead of like sewing the edges together. I kind of just sewed it on top of this sweatshirt because I thought it was going to be too easy to make a mistake. Like an unfixable mistake if I were to cut like the blue sweatshirt to the size of this because there's no going back once you do that. So I sewed it on top, and I really like the sort of, I don't know, like grungy, unfinished vibe that it has with the edge, like the red edge kind of showing and being kind of like loose. Maybe that's not everybody's style, but I think she's gonna love it. It also kind of like gives like an odd collar. I don't know, but I am obsessed with it, and I think it's coming out amazing because it kind of looks like it's supposed to be that way. Like the colors of these two sweatshirts, like including the blue plaid, just go together so well that it kind of all feels like it makes perfect sense. I just feel like the hood is so cool and different that I wanted to keep like most of its shape, all of its shape rather. Slap it. Oh, I do have to roll a new bobbin. Okay, I made a split decision that I don't know if I'm gonna regret, but as you saw, well, did you see it? I don't know, my camera stopped filming at some point. I decided not to just do a wavy blob and cut out the Patriots thing. I did, like a slime. I don't know why I like the shape of slime. Anyway, so this piece that we just cut out is gonna go behind. This is gonna be hard. Is that what I'm gonna do? I think, yeah, it is. So yeah, this piece is gonna go behind the slime the slime hole. I take that back. It is gonna go behind that, but that's not what we're gonna call it. Anyway, so I don't know if I'm gonna regret this, but I'm gonna try it. So bringing in the original sweatshirt. If I've ruined this, I am gonna be sad because I love how this has turned out so far. I haven't ruined it. I know that. It's fine. It's gonna be great. So I was thinking, here's the wavy, weird hole that I cut. And so this is supposed to go under it so that, anyway. So I don't know if I should like take the edges of this and like fold them in and sew it like that all the way around, or if I should continue the whole rough edge look. The thing that's making me want to keep the rough edge is because little tiny sections like this, if I fold them, they're going to become so weird. I could try it and it might be fine, but look at this one. Are you seeing what I'm talking about? Look how tiny that is. It's kind of why I was thinking of just doing it this way, where I can like take that piece, sew it. There we go. There we go. I was like, oh no, what happened? And do this. What do you think? Is that ugly? And then if I do this, I could take this piece and embroider something on it first, because I would have to do that first before I sew it on to the sweatshirt. And I don't know. What should I do? Y'all. Alright, I took some pieces from this and I just kind of like flipped them over. I don't know why. I like the different like fuzzier texture on the other side. It kind of brings almost like the same blue that obviously this is, like it's the same fabric, but on the other, when you flip it to the other side, it kind of looks darker, and I like that contrast. I like the texture contrast, and I like the color. And I just feel like this kind of tied it together for me because I needed something in here. And if I was going to embroider it, I need to do it now. But if I was going to embroider something, I would need to draw it up. And I don't got that time. It's like literally 1 week till I'm on the last week till Christmas. I love this, right? This is pretty cool. I feel like, you know, you're seeing it from upside down. So when you see it right side up when I'm done, because this is what's happening, you're gonna be excited too. Anyway, so I want to pin it to the red, but not the blue underneath. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Everything's pinned. So now I'm just gonna sew all of these little pieces to my red piece of fabric. Y'all, I finished it. This is it. I would try it on, but it's too small for me. But yeah, this is it. I feel like the clip is like it on camera just does not, it's not enough. I wish you guys could see this in person. It is so cool and like, I don't know, grungy and like scrappy. And again, I realize that maybe that's not everybody's, you know, style or whatever, but I know that she's gonna like this. And let me see if I can get like a better shot with like my phone or something. Anything for the shot. All right, here it is in full. I think it came out super cool. The colors are definitely different in real life to what you're seeing. They're a little more cohesive than it looks on camera, I feel like. But yeah. I love how it came out. The hood is like my favorite part, and then the little pieces that I sewed onto the red part are just really cool. I love this entire sweatshirt. It's so amazing. And I didn't run into any problems, which is kind of shocking. I can't wait. I'm kind of like, I can't wait to see everybody try theirs on, but also I'm kind of nervous. What if they don't fit? I know they will, and it's gonna be fine. Like, I didn't mess with any of like the structure of this one, especially this one. All right, 2 sweatshirts down. 2 more to go? No. Yeah, 2 more to go. Not bad. Oh, I love my mom's one too. All right, I think I'm gonna end the studio vlog here. The cake rug is available on my new website, along with the wall hanging. Afterpay is available. The hat order was successful. I think we're good to go on this new website. The link will be down in the description. You can follow me in all of these places. I love you guys to absolute depth, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.